Hey guys, sorry how I left off the other video. So I'm back and I'm probably going to upload this the same time. So this is going to be part 2 of this video. So I'm going to pick up where we left off. Right now there is a zombie that's riding a spider in full gold armor that is enchanted. And just to show you, it is not hard. It is currently in normal. So I'm pretty sure that is rare though. And Rip Villager. And look how fast this spider is going. If you guys don't subscribe to me, this guy will come in your bed. So Rip. The villager was doomed anyways. Please comment, like, share, subscribe, the whole shebang to make me continue making this awesome videos. I know if it's awesome or not. That's your opinion. That's my opinion. So yeah. So Rip the village. As you can see, I have been destructing it with all my power. Holy crap. Okay, if you guys saw the TNT, right? I'm not tripping, right? Right? Okay, there's another one. So I just currently made the third one, which is right here. Okay, well, Rip Village. Now. Ha ha ha. Okay, the machine's gonna get exploded. Surprised it hasn't exploded yet. Oh, is that creeper or a villager? This is also a mob farm now because it kills everything that spawns in. But it is very inefficient. Like, very inefficient. New terraforming, huh? Wait a minute. Lake. I have sponges in my inventory. Hold up. Let me guys help you real quick. Yoink. There's gonna be a whole lot more damage now. Yo. It's a water cave. Hell no. I ain't letting that slide, bro. Okay. There. Why has the TNT machine has stopped? Because it's broken. Well, that's it. That's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, the whole shebang. Thank you. Have a nice day. By the way, I read every single comment. So, yeah, please comment because I always reply back like instantly. So, thank you. Bye.